Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to math class. Now everyone open studio page number 58. Okay, subtraction. So can anyone know what is subtraction, children? Subtraction means taking away. Okay, subtraction means taking away. So here given pep activity. Strike off the objects and subtract. One has been done for you. Okay, you have to strike out the given objects and subtract. So first here, let us count how many coffees are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 toffees are given. You have to subtract 5 toffees in these 6 toffees. Okay, so how to subtract 5 toffees here, children? You have to strike out the 5 toffees. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here I strike out 5 toffees. Now you have to count how many toffees left here. Here only 1 toffee left. That means 6 toffees minus 5 toffees is equal to 1. 6 minus 1 is 1. So this is subtraction. What is the symbol for subtraction, children? Minus. Minus is the symbol for subtraction. Next. Okay, children. So next, go to the second one. Here given 9 keys. Okay, 9 keys minus 4 keys is equal to dash keys. So how to subtract 4 keys from 9 keys? You have to strike out the 4 keys here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many keys left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to write number 5. So next one, 15 flavors minus 13 flavors. Okay, you have to do the subtraction. You have to strike out the 13 flavors and write the answer in the box. Next, 2x minus 5x. Okay, here you have to subtract 2x minus 5x. Okay, here you have to subtract 5x from the 2x. Okay, once you have to check, children, check the answer for the last question. Is it possible to strike off 5x from 2x? Here given only 2x. Here you can strike out 5x here. No, why? Because here given only 2x. That means we cannot subtract smaller number from a bigger number. Okay, here given only 2x. It is possible to strike off 5x from 2x. No, you have to pick the option no. We can take away the number of objects either from a large number or the same number of objects. Okay, we can take away from the object with greater number or equal number. So for example, I am having 5 chocolates. Okay, and I want to give to my friend 5 chocolates. So now I am having how many chocolates? I am having only 0 chocolates. Okay, so and further, for example, I am having 2 chocolates. Okay, I am having 2 chocolates and my friend asked to me give 3 chocolates. Is it possible, children? I am having only 2 chocolates. Can I give 3 chocolates to my friend? No. So we can subtract number from a same number or greater number. Subtraction of single digit number from a double digit number by regrouping or borrowing. Okay, here Surabhi collected 36 flowers. She has made 3 garlands of 10 flowers. Okay, children, here Surabhi made 3 groups of 10 flowers and 6 single flowers left with her. Okay, here 3 tens means it's 30 and here 6 1 means 6. So totally Surabhi collected 36 flowers. Akshara wants 9 flowers from Surabhi to make a bouquet. Okay, Akshara wants 9 flowers from Surabhi to make a bouquet. Can Surabhi give 9 flowers from her 6 single flowers? Children, here Surabhi had 6 single flowers and Akshara want 9 flowers. Here the Surabhi give 9 flowers to these 6 single flowers children? Can Surabhi give 9 flowers from her 6 single flowers? Is it possible children? We can subtract 6 from number 9. No, it's not possible. So, no. Take the no on. Surabhi breaks one of the garlands as shown below. Here, Surabhi had 3 garlands of 10 flowers. No. Now here Surabhi breaks one of the garlands. Here now it is 10 single flowers and here 6 single flowers. Now totally Surabhi had 16 single flowers. Now she has dash garlands of 10 flowers. How many garlands of 10 flowers? 2 garlands of 10 flowers and dash single flowers. So this is 10 and this is 6. Totally 16 flowers. Now it is 20 and 16. 36. Next. Let us strike off 9 flowers from these single flowers. Okay. Here Surabhi had totally 16 flowers. Now in that you have to strike out 9 flowers. Okay. Here strike 9 flowers. Now there are dash garlands of 10 flowers and single flowers. Here 2 garlands of 10 flowers is there. So here you have to write number 2. Next. And how many single flowers? Now we have to count single flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many single flowers left here? 7. So now Surabhi is left with dash flowers. So Surabhi had totally 2 garland of 10 means 20 and this 7. Totally Surabhi is left with 27 flowers. Okay children. Surabhi left with 27 flowers. Okay, you have to do this some subtraction by borrowing. So first she had 36 flowers and Akshara wants to give 9 flowers. Now you have to subtract. So here the subtraction is always start from ones place. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 9 you can subtract children. Is it possible? We cannot subtract 9 from 6. So you have to borrow here. So now it's, if you take the borrowing from here 3 tenths is no. Now it is 16. Okay. 16 minus 9. Okay. You have to subtract 9 from number 16. So answer is 7. Now here 1 10 is borrowing. No. So now here only 2 tenths is left. 2 minus 0 is 2. So now Surabhi had 27 flowers left. Next. Subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Minu and her friends have bought 45 bananas for the elephant. The elephant caretaker wants only 27 bananas. How many bananas will be left with them? Okay, here Minu and her friends bought 45 bananas for elephant. But the elephant caretaker wants only 27 bananas. Now find out how many bananas left with them. Okay. So the shopkeeper had given them the bananas in bunches of 10s. Okay. So here Minu and her friends bought bananas. No. So in shopkeeper given in bunches of 10s. Means totally 45 bananas means. So here each bunch has 10 bananas means 10, 20, 30, 40. It's 4 tens. And 5 single bananas. 5 ones means now totally 45 bananas. They will have to give 2 bunches and 7 single bananas to the elephant caretaker. Okay, here the elephant caretaker wants only 27 bananas means 2 bunches of 10s and 7 single bananas want the elephant caretaker. So can they give 7 bananas from the 5 single ones children? So actually totally we are having 45 bananas. But the elephant caretaker wants only 27. So here can give 7 bananas from 5 single bananas children. Is it possible? No. So tick option no. So let us open a bunch of 10 bananas as shown. Okay, we cannot take the 7 bananas from 5 bananas, no. So now you have to open one bunch of 10 as shown like this. Now here 3 bunches and 1 bunch is open. Now here now this is 10, and actually in 45 also 5 single bananas also there now. Now 3 tens and 15 ones. So now you have to subtract 7 ones from 5 ones, children. Strike off 2 bunches and 7 single bananas. Okay, strike out 2 bunches and 7 single bananas. Okay, now you have to strike out. Now here I striked out 2 bunches of bananas and you have to strike 7 single bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you have to count. Now there are dash bunches of 10 bananas. Okay, let us check how many bunches of 10 bananas here. Only 1 bunch of 10 bananas. And how many single bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so totally Meenu and her friends are left with 1 bunch of 10 means 10 and 8 is totally 18 bananas. Okay, children. Now we have to do this subtraction with use of borrowing. So here 5 minus 7 you can subtract, children. Is it possible? No. So now you have to borrow 1 here. Now it's borrow 1 10 from the tens place. Now it's 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, you have to subtract 7 ones from 15 ones. Now here already 1 10 is borrowing. No, that means here only 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, children. Next. You have to draw the sticks to get the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, here I drawn 15 sticks. Now you have to subtract 8 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you have to count how many sticks left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7. Now here only 6. Why? Because here already 1 10 is borrowing. No. 6 minus 5 is 1. So here the Rajesh get balance 17 rupees. Okay, children. Now everyone open companion page number 29. Find the total, carry over where needed. Find the total means you have to do the addition and carry over where needed. Okay, addition always start from ones place. Here 2, 8 and 6. 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 plus 6, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here the sum of these three numbers is 16. But here it is only the digit of ones place. So write 6 here and carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, the sum of these three numbers is 76. Okay, next you have to do the D sum. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here what we need to do here, children? So here you have to write 14 in this blank. No, here you have to write 4 and carry 1 to the tens place. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. You have to write number 9 here. Okay, children. So here remaining 4 problems is there. You have to do this 4 problems as homework. Now open companion page number 30. Solve the following. So here given word problems. So first read the question, everyone. 21 children are going home in the school bus At the first stop, 4 children get off. How many children are still in the bus? Okay, 21 children are going home in the school bus. At the first stop, 4 children get off. How many children are still in the bus? Okay, so first total how many children are going to home in the bus? Totally 21 children. And how many children are get off in the first stop? 4 children. You have to subtract 4 from the 21 to get how many children are still in the bus. Okay, here 1. Is it possible, children, you have to subtract 4 from 1? No, this is not possible. You have to borrow 110 here. Now it is 1 and here it is 11. Okay, when we borrow 10 means here it is already 1. 10 and 1 is 11. Now subtract 11 minus 4. So if we subtract 4 from the number 11 is 7 and here only 1 is there. So how many children are there in the bus still? 17 children are there in the bus. Okay, children, next. Out of 26 marbles, Ramu gave 18 marbles to his friend. How many marbles are left with him? Okay, here you have to subtract first total. Out of 26 marbles, you have to write 26 here. And Ramu gave how many marbles to his friend? 18. Okay, you have to do the subtraction and write how many marbles left with him. Next 3F. Priya and Sheila went shopping. Find out how much money both have after shopping. Okay, Priya and Sheila went shopping and spent something. Now you have to find how much money both have after shopping. Okay, children, so first Sheila had 32 rupees and she spent 23 rupees. Now we have to subtract 23 from 32. So here 2. This is, we know that this is 1's place and this is 1's place and this is 10's place. Okay, here we can subtract 3 ones from 2 ones. Is it possible, children? No, we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number. So now you have to borrow from the tens place. Here 3 tens is there. If the 1 10 is borrowing means here only 2 tens. And now here the 1 10 is borrowing means here 12. So 12 minus 3, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. Now how much money does Sheila have, children? Sheila has 9 rupees. Next, Priya. Priya had 61 rupees and she spent 46 rupees. So here you have to do this problem as homework and write how much money now Priya has. Okay, children. Now everyone open Studio page number 63. Observe 3.17, children. The toys in a toy shop along with their prices are shown below. Which toy would you like to buy and circle it? Okay, here in the toy shop, toys are given along with their prices. Which toy would you like to buy? Circle it. Okay, here I want to buy teddy bear. Okay, I want to buy teddy bear. Name of the item. Here you have to write the name of the item. So here I like teddy bear, no? So that's why I write name here and price. So how much is the price of teddy bear? 61. Okay, in this you like car means you have to write car and write the price of the car here. If you give the shopkeeper 90 rupees, how much balance will you get back? Okay, here if you give 90 rupees to the shopkeeper means your money paid, I paid 90 rupees and price of the item. So the price of teddy bear is 61. No? So here I retain 61. For example, if you like car means you write 82 here. Okay, you selected item is car and write price here and write the price of the item. Change. How much money do get back? 0 minus 1 you can subtract. Is it possible, children? We know that this is not possible. So here 9 becomes 8. Why? Because here we are borrowing 1 tenth means it is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So how much money I get back? I get back 29 rupees. Okay. You have to do the same, or you have to take the another prices of the items and do the subtraction. Next, observe 3.18 children. The parking area in Mayank's apartments has space for 64 cars. Okay. Mayank's apartment has space of 64 cars and Priya's apartment has space for 56 cars. Okay. Mayanka's apartment is 64 cars and the Priya's apartment has 56 cars. Whose apartment can have more cars and how much children? Whose apartment have more cars? Here the space of 64 and here the and Priyanka's apartment has only 56, means Mayank's apartment has a more space of 64 cars, and here asking how much. What should we do? Find the answer. Circle in your answer. How to get the which one's apartment has more space? If we add or subtract or multiply or divide. So here you have to check first add. Addition means you have to add these two numbers to get the which one apartments has more space, children. No, we cannot find. We can find the total space of the two persons apartment space only. We have to do the addition means 64 plus 56. You have to do the addition means to get the total space of Mayank's and Priyank's. We cannot get the which one of these apartments has more space. Now subtract. You have to use subtract. For example, 64 minus 56. We know that Mayank's apartment has more space. If we subtract 56 from 64 to get the how much of more space than the Priyanka's apartment, children. So here you have to use subtract. So circle the subtraction. So 14 minus 6 is 8 and here 5 minus 5 is 8. So now here the Mayank's apartment has more space, and how much? Mayank's apartment has 8 cars more space than the Priyank's apartment. Okay children, is it clear? You have to use subtraction to get more and less also. We also use subtraction to find how much more or less one quantity from another. Okay children, here we find Mayank's apartment has 8 cars of space more than the Priyank's house. That means here we find much more and less. Okay. Next, 3.19. There are 32 houses in Minu's apartment. 14 houses have yellow doors. Totally how many houses in Minu's apartment, children? 32. You have to write 32 here. Next, 14 houses have yellow doors and the rest have blue doors. Okay. How many of them have yellow doors, children? 14. Now, how many houses have blue doors? We have to find the number of blue doors. So, how to get here? Given the total number of doors and given the number of yellow doors also. We can subtract total. You can subtract yellow doors from the total number of doors to get the blue doors, children. Yes, if you subtract yellow doors from the total number of doors to get the number of blue doors. Okay, you have to do the subtraction. 2 minus 4. Is it possible, children? We cannot subtract. So borrowing. Here 3 tenths is there. If you take 1 tenth means it's 2 and here already 2. Here 1 10 is borrowing means here it is 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now how many houses have blue doors, children? 18 doors have blue doors. Okay, I think are you clear, children? if you subtract yellow doors from the total number of doors to get the number of blue doors. Children, so now everyone open companion page number 32. Now it's project time. Find the age of two adults in your family. Subtract your age from their age. Find the age of two adults in your family. Subtract your age from their age. Okay, here you have to write the age of two adults. Adults means the age is between 25 to 60. Okay, here first you have to write the age of your mother and age of your father. So for example, age of your mother. Age of your mother is 42. Okay, age of your mother is 42 and your age. You have to write your age. For example, your age is 8. Now you have to write 8 here and do the subtraction. Okay, children. And here also you have to write age of your father. For example, your father is 45. You have to write your father age and write your age again. You have to find the difference. Here given difference. Now do you know difference, children? Difference means when we subtract the number from when we subtract the numbers to get the difference. Okay, here you subtract 8 from the number 42. No, here the answer is called difference. How to find difference? If you do the subtraction to get the difference of two numbers. Okay, everyone do the projects and send to me. Okay, children, so this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.